Dear passengers, welcome to Bangkok. It is a safety requirement that you have to remain seated with the seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Please take care when opening the overhead compartment as items inside may fall out. Kindly take all your belongings with you when leaving the aircraft. Mobile phone and portable electronic devices with cellular function may now be switched on. It has been a pleasure looking after today, and we hope that we can see you again soon. Thank you for choosing Cathay Pacific, a member of the One World Alliance. Good afternoon，各位乘客歡迎過嚟臨曼谷，為安全起見，請留喺座位，保持安全帶扣上，直到航機完全停定及扣上安全帶等候4秒為止。當打行李櫃時，請小心，以免櫃中物件跌下。各位現在可以使用手提電話及有網絡功能嘅個人電子用品。我哋好高興今日能夠為你服務，並希望可以好快再同大家喺華人一家嘅成員國泰航機上再同大家見面。各位乘客，下次旅程再見。為了關於你的曼谷，為了您的安全，在出發前之前請留座，保持安全帶緊扣，直到航機完成頂舉安全帶燈熄滅為止。當你打開座位上方的行李櫃時，請務必小心，以防貴重的行李滑落。下機時請別忘攜帶你們的隨身行李。您現在可以啟動有網絡功能的個人通訊設備。我們機談感到很高興能夠為您服務，並希望很快能再與您見面。再次感謝您搭乘國泰航機，選擇寰宇一照的服務，各旅客下次旅途再會。